love traveling and I love experiencing the world and all it has to offer. I guess a 505 to see places that very few people dream about. So my name is Rusty Robinson and I'm an owner and a pilot of a Bell 505. I started flying helicopters last October and got my rating earlier this year in February. So I'm a brand new pilot with under 200 hours, and the 505's been great for me so far. Almost put 100 hours on this machine. I'm a fixed wing pilot as well. I got my pilot's license when I was 17 years old, and then my IFR rating right after that. And I also own a light business jet. It seems like everywhere we went, we always chartered a helicopter to just get in the backcountry and see what we wanted to see. And it just made a natural progression to acquire a helicopter so that we could see the nation and enjoy the parts of the area that were hard to reach. I mean, a lot of people call it a time machine, and I'll have to completely agree. To hop off the airplane and into the helicopter and 15 minutes later be in a location that would take you a day to get to by traveling, it's a pretty awesome experience. And it's a great way to disconnect and really connect to nature very quickly. First time flying in the 505 was just pretty astounding. The visibility throughout the floorboard, and as you almost had a 360-degree view, was just amazing. I'm in shock and awe. And I've seen a lot of things in the world. I've been a lot of places, but it's just like it's almost the first time when you fly over those glaciated peaks, or you come and you see the different layers of stone and the trees and above the tree lines. I mean, we're constantly gasping. I've done a tour of the American West so far, so Colorado, Utah, up in Montana and over into Idaho. This weekend we're doing Washington and Oregon, and then of course all the way up in through the Panhandle of Alaska. Also flying up the coastline of Upper Peninsula, Michigan, over Lake Michigan was just astounding, seeing all the homes and the watercolor and the old shipwrecks that you could only see from the air. That was another one of my favorite trips as well. I have the Garmin 1000 in mine, except all of them do, but I have the synthetic vision, which I love. And you can put the highway in the sky, and the track that you're going. It really takes the guesswork out of it, especially for mountain flying where the horizon's all broken and you're trying to keep that attitude in the center. It's just really easy with the synthetic vision. But all of the startup sequence is automated, so it's just basically hit one button and monitor the gauges, and it's very easy. I enjoy it. Gosh, the acquisition price is great compared to single engine turbine, but you get so much more than you do out of some of the other models with the electronics and the ease of startup and the maintenance. The fuel consumption is very reasonable compared to some of the other single engines as well. And then it's got the tried and true rotor system, and tail rotor system is the Bell 206, which has been around for decades. So it has the dependability, yet it has the new technology. It's all packaged up into one. It was pretty incredible. It made the decision very easy. A lot of my use is recreational, and really, no matter what you're doing in a helicopter, whether you're going to a business meeting or long lining in it or whatnot, it's impossible not to enjoy it because of the view, and it is like flying a bird almost.